Hi guys, so I'm going to share with you the Extreme Tots. If you have recipe, and it's not really recipe, it's just like concocting a bunch of stuff together. But if you have a Sonic near you, I know they have it on the East Coast. I'm not sure if they have it worldwide. This is really all it is. It's tater tots, and Aldi calls theirs potato puffs. And I picked up 2 bags of this, probably too much. And you will also need some shredded cheese. Oh, I left the ranch dressing over here. Some ranch dressing. I picked up 2 bottles because we had salad last night, and my boys, if you can see, anyway, is that low already. Onion. Some chili. This is from Aldi. I think everything's from Aldi. Some jalapenos. And then I'm going to add some bacon pieces. That's it. Well, I don't know. I see. And what you're going to first do is you're going to preheat your oven to 450, which is already preheating. And then you're just going to cook your potato puffs, tater tots, and you can put them in the air fryer too if you would like. But how I'm going to cook the chilies, I'm just going to put it in the, not microwave, but you can put it in the microwave, but I'm going to put it in a saucepan so it can stay warm. And I'm going to add another can because we're having hot dogs on the grill. So here is my baking sheet. And I'm just going to put these potato puffs on this sheet. And with potato puffs, I keep saying potato puffs, but tater tots, they can taste really potatoey if they're not cooked all the way through. So I make sure I spread them out. I'm going to get another cookie sheet, and if I can add a few more on here, and cook these really good, because I cannot stand when you bite into it and it's not done, even with french fries the same way. And it says cook it for bake for 12 minutes. So I usually bake mine a little bit longer, but I do watch it, make sure it doesn't burn, especially on 450. You have to watch that. Okay, now my tater tots are done, and I'm going to place them in this casserole dish. This is by Temptations. They sell it on QVC. And I did have to cook it for an extra, I think, 8 to 9 minutes, or was it 7 minutes? I just try to make sure mine's not potatoey, it's done all the way through. And I'm just gonna place it on here. I think it stuck more on the foil than it did. And I use a spatula. I should have sprayed it, but I don't know why I did one and not the other. And I used to get this all the time, and I still ask for it. I think a lot of people don't, oh Lord, I think a lot of people don't know that you can get it, but you can ask for it. I think it is extra for a side at Sonic, but I love it. My kids love it, and I don't make it all the time because I just forget about making it. But it's really good. Super easy. So now I'm still waiting for my chili to heat up, and then I will add that to here and cut up my onion. tater tots here, and I keep losing stuff. And I'm just mixing. You guys probably can't even see me over here. And I'm not gonna put all of this because this is a lot. And we need some, as far as I see right now, it's a lot. It might not be. And usually it doesn't get like soggy or anything like that. Let me see what it looks like. Put some over here. Over here. I do have a thicker, I can't remember, a thicker layer than I normally have. I might need the whole pan. But you just drizzle it over. And I'm just trying to make sure I got every corner. So my crew loves chili. And you probably can make your own chili too. That's a good idea to do. So, and then I'm going to add some onions to this. My control's fine with onions. JJ is, it depends on what it is. So I will still pick it off. Everybody else is cool with onions. And I love onions, probably too many onions. So I'm gonna put some of this to the side for hot dogs. And then the ranch, I'm gonna put this in the oven to keep the food so it doesn't dry out. It depends on what it is. Like chicken will dry out on 170 on a low temp to keep all the food warm. I do that a lot of times when I'm making breakfast too, till I'm done. And then let's do the jalapenos next. I might do the bacon. Nothing like anything bacon. So bacon you can omit if you would like. You can omit anything, but bacon is not what comes on it if you go to Sonic and order the Extreme Tots. So let's try something different. I know this is probably super fat. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, and then I'm going to add some jalapenos on here. Everybody is a fan, I believe, I know Cottrell is now, of jalapenos. I think JJ is, not Saya. So, but they love hot stuff. And if they're not a fan, then they can just take it off. Or get some around it. The thing about this is that you can add more. That's an odd color. You can add more, you can add less when you make it from home. And then after this, the cheese. So when you put it in there too, it's up to you. You can bake it a little bit, but you want to bake it before you put the ranch dressing on there because it's salad dressing. Or you can just put it in the, I still have more hamburger to cook. Put it in the warmer in the oven on 170 and maybe put some foil on top of it. Or if you have like a cover for this, for your pan. And I think that's enough. That's a lot in the area. But my crew at the jar now realize it. But they like a lot. So that is probably enough. Jason's not a fan of jalapenos, but he'll just take it off.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Cook it, I would say like on 350. I would say like for 6 minutes. That should be good. I'm gonna use all of this. And then let that melt, and then you'll drizzle your ranch dressing on top, and then that's it. Okay guys, so it was just warming in the oven as I was finished cooking, and then I'm going to add some ranch dressing, and I'm going to add, they're probably going to eat quite much of this, but I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like half of it, so that if somebody needs to reheat it later, and I'll do just a little bit, and then if they want to add more, they can. They went ham on this, so they probably, I know, gonna have to add more because they love ranch in my house. So let me get a spoon and show you guys what it looks like. Let's see. Start with a corner. And really, this meal, this is a meal by itself. You don't need anything else. It's filling. Just have you something to drink, and that's it. And I'm using a paper plate. Sometimes people have comments about paper plates. So that's it, guys. It is really good. JJ, you want this? You ready? And that's dinner, guys. Well, we're having burgers, and then we're having hot dogs, and then also corn on the cob. So thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.